Today's video is going to talk about peer feedback and how you will do your peer review. We're going to talk about what is peer feedback, the benefits to it, and the steps for doing a peer review today. First, what is peer feedback? Well, basically, we are all learning. We are all practicing. None of us are perfect writers. And what you are doing is looking at your partner's paper and trying to help them. So, what can you help your partner with? Well, it helps them become a better writer and get better grades, which we all want. Second, you can basically see if they are missing information. Maybe they've forgotten their thesis statement or a concluding sentence. Maybe they're so much thinking about their writing that they don't even notice that that's missing. Because you have never read their essay before, it will be much easier for you to help them see if there's anything missing. You will also help them to explain things better. When we write, we are having our thoughts put on the paper, but sometimes it's hard to know if other people can understand our thoughts. So this way, you can read their paper and tell them if there are some things that maybe don't make very much sense, and you can help them make it better. Peer feedback also helps you, though. When you read other people's papers, you become a better writer because you've seen more examples and you are focused on looking at the things that can be changed about writing. It also helps you look at writing in a new way. It also helps you make friends, which is also very important because we want to have that connection to other people in our class. So what should you do? First, please focus on the most important thing, ideas. We don't need an editor. Please don't focus on spelling or grammar or formatting. The most important thing in your partner's essay are their ideas. So the steps? First, you need to read their essay. Don't make any comments the first time you read it. First, just read it to make sure that you understand. Then you can check through it to see if they have a very strong and clear thesis statement. This is the most important sentence of their essay, and it should be good. They also need to have very clear topic sentences. Do the thesis and topic sentences follow the requirements of the essay? So make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do for this essay. If you notice that there's any problems, don't just tell them that there are problems. Please help them change it. Make suggestions so that they can improve any of the problems that they have. Then you should check through their support. Do they have enough support? Please make suggestions if they don't have enough support or if they're having any problems with their support. So here are the actual assignment steps for this assignment. First, you need to meet with your partner. You can use Zoom, Google Meet, FaceTime, any other video communication method. You will need to email with your partner to set up a time that works for both of you. You will exchange your essays, so maybe you will send it through the chat box or through the email and read them. You will make comments on your friend's essay to help them. You will talk to each other and explain your comments through your video communication. Then you will take a picture of your comments and submit it to the peer review assignment. Finally, once you've talked to your partner and you've seen all the comments that they've made on your essay, you should think about what they've said and change your essay to make it better. This is called revising, when we change our ideas to make our essay or our writing better. Why are we doing peer feedback? Well, basically, as you can see in this picture of the dancers, dancing and writing actually are kind of similar. What you read, you can imitate. So if you read good writings, it will help you become a better writer. You can imitate them, just like these dancers are all imitating each other. What you detect, you can correct. So when you notice that there is a problem with your friend's essay, then it will help you detect them in your essay and correct them for yourself too. What you explain, you can retain, which means that when you explain things to people and teach them, you gain better knowledge. You know it better and you can remember it and retain it. And then what you suggest, you can try. So by helping your partner, it will make you better to help yourself also. So a simple pattern for revision plans. Once you've chosen the specific feedback, so this is after your partner has given you their feedback. When you're alone again, please look at their comments and think about them. Choose which comments you're going to address. Maybe you will fix all of them. Or maybe you don't agree with your partner on some of them and you don't want to fix it. That's fine too. So choose which feedback to use first. Then prioritize it. Okay, so choose the most important things to fix first. And then reflect on those and actually make those changes. You will meet with Cian for your second draft when your paper is even better after you've revised it at your writing conference. Good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions.